What's up, gals? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a brand new tutorial for you guys. It's actually kind of a review. So I got a couple of things here that I'm trying out. So yeah, but the main star of the show is the shop Alter Ego, their Aurora palette. This is like the main store of the show. But yeah, I don't want to ramble too much. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below. When I say thank you to everyone who does comment, who does like my videos, because it really does help. When you guys comment, it helps with the engagement of my channel, and by doing that, it's able to get pushed out for more people to see the videos. So yes, thank you to everyone who does, like, you know, just all the support and love that you guys show me. I appreciate it. Like, you don't understand, like, I appreciate you, okay? Thank you so much. Also, follow me on Instagram. You know, I be over there, I be posting. If you want to keep up with me, or you know, you just want to see me more outside of YouTube, if you don't, that's cool. I ain't gonna take it to heart. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I already have my brows fully filled in. Now, I have a couple things that I want to try out for you guys. So I have both of the palettes by Alter Ego. This is the Aurora palette, which is supposed to be a dupe for the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. And then I have the Artemis palette, which is a dupe for the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. Also, Alter Ego sent me a bunch of their liquid lipsticks. I'm going to be trying these out. I'm going to be swatching them for you guys. They also sent me their eyeshadow primer. Oh my gosh, my nose. You know that feeling like when you're swimming in a pool and like the chlorine goes up your nose and like it tingles back here? That just happened, but I don't know why, because I'm not in a pool of water. But yeah. Also, one of my subscribers, she just launched her new beauty line, and it's called Magnolia Beauty, and she sent me a bunch of her lashes. I'm gonna be trying these out. She also sent me some of the glosses that she released. So yeah, but let's jump into it. So for today, I think I want to use the Aurora palette, just because, I don't know, I'm just kind of into this color story a little bit more. So I think I'm gonna use this today. But what I was thinking was doing like comparison, because you guys know that I own the Glitz Wiz by She Glam, and this also is a dupe for the Metropolis palette. I do have a video on my channel using this, so I was thinking of like doing a comparison. The funny part is that these are both dupes. It's like I'm comparing the dupes, but I think that'll be fun. What do you guys think? Would y'all be interested in something like that? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette today. So this is their eye primer, and it looks like this. I have not tried any of this stuff, so it's all fresh. So I'm just gonna put a couple of coats on. This is looking like it's gonna be a sheer primer, which, I mean, I don't normally utilize these type of primers. I like mine to have like some sort of base. You know what I mean, some sort of base. Like, I like it to be a color. I don't like for it to be clear. So let me blend this out. Yeah, this is gonna be a, I don't know about this. I know a lot of people don't use, like, you know, the white base or the, you know, the standard, the Anastasia, P. Louise type of bases. I personally love that type of primer. All right, so I'm gonna first go into this shade right here called Soul, and I'm gonna put this all in my crease. All right, so this shade went on pretty well. Even with this being a lighter base than I'm normally used to, the color still packs a punch, so that is a great thing. Like, y'all, it is 10 o'clock in the morning, right? 10:30. And when I say up until then, no one remembered my phone number. Like, no one remembered the number. The minute I said I'm going to sit down and now film, text message, calls, this and that, emails from brands, like, you people, you didn't want to talk to me before, so leave me alone, okay? Leave me alone right now. I'm trying to get this done. Anyways, taking the same brush, I'm gonna go into the shade right here called Flare, which is this really pretty like sienna type of shade. And I'm just gonna like layer this over the like mustardy yellow. No, what's that flower? Sunflower yellow. That's what it reminds me of. It's like a sunflower yellow. But I guess that's like a mustard yellow too, right? No, because mustard's more grungy. This is pretty. I I like it. I think I'm gonna go back in with a different brush, and I'm gonna go back into that Soul shade, the first color, and just kind of like layer this on top so you can kind of see it still. Now taking my Luxie brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Nova, which is this like pretty, what color is this? Like, is it maroon? Magenta. This really pretty magenta shade that I have been like eyeing since I got this palette. I'm like, that's gonna go on my eyes. I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna go ahead and like stipple this onto my outer eye. I hope I didn't put too many shades on because this isn't like packing the punch that I thought it was going to pack. I think I might have put too many shades down. Probably should start with this first, but oh well. No, it's still giving a little something, something. It's still giving a little something, something. By the way, these shadows have a lot of kick up. But like I would say, that does not bother me. I'm gonna take this brush that I used to apply that, well, this blending brush, and I'm just gonna like blend out the edges of this. And I'm probably gonna have to like go back and like put more of that shade on. Girl, I like this. This is actually pretty good. Okay. Let me add a little bit more of this pink shade. I'm not cutting my crease today. I don't have the energy to. I'm kind of leaning into going into this shade right here. And I think I'm going to. Okay, so that's called Luminary. So this is it. And I like to apply shimmers with no spray or anything. Just see how they apply. And y'all saw that. Like, y'all saw that. This is nice. I think I'm gonna take this shade right here called Spark. I'm gonna take it with my finger. And let me see how this looks if I pop. Ooh. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's kind of like a duochrome, like slightly. I like that. Okay, let's do the other eye. So put that there. Okay, and then I'm gonna just go back into this brush, grab a little bit more of that Nova shade, which is that like pinky color, and just kind of like blend these together. Yeah. All right, and then I'm gonna go back into the Flare shade, and which is like that burnt orangey color. Just bring it up a little bit higher, and taking the same brush. Well, actually, I'm gonna clean off the brush a little bit. I'm gonna go into that Soul shade, which was like that sunflower color, and just go over this. Really simple, easy look. Okay, now the part that I'm actually really excited for are these lashes because they're like va-va-voom. Okay, they're not regular. No, these are va-va-voom. These lashes, baby gals, when I say that, they're just popping. Okay, so she sent me 4. And she sent me a little applicator too. So we have these right here. These are called Lovely. Right? This is Lovely or is it Lonely? Hold on, wait a minute. Yes, we have these. These are Lovely and they do look lovely. We have these right here. This is called Bambi. Then we have these right here. These are called Lunaria. And lastly, we got Texas, okay? All day, every day, you know, representing. If you guys don't know, I am from Houston, Texas. And so I think for today's look, I'm kind of leaning towards Lovely. I think I want to use those. Alrighty, so these are the lashes applied on, and let me just say, I love them. I think they're so cute. Oh my gosh, these are so fun. Like, they're nice and wispy, but like long, because you know, I like a little bit of length. Okay, I like to be able to just like somewhat touch my eyebrows with my lashes, or feel like I'm touching them. Yes, I do have a discount code with them, so you can use my discount code AskWhitney to save 10% off. I believe her lashes retail for $12, so yes, it's not too badly priced either, but you use my discount code and save even more money, okay? But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys swatches of the palette, and give you my final thoughts on that. And also, I'm gonna be swatching the liquid lipsticks, okay? And I'm seeing some of these new colors. Those are the ones I plan on wearing, so yes, I'll be back. You can be my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white. Alright, you guys, so this is the look semi-done. We need to put a lip on. So this is what the liquid lipstick looks like. Super cute packaging. I haven't, listen, y'all know I'm a gloss girl, okay? Occasionally, I step into the liquid lipstick realm, and then I come right back. I'm like, okay, that's enough. So let me try these out. All right, so this is the color Crush. Super pretty color. Definitely would need a lip liner. I would not wear this straight on its own like this. But yes, and it went on very smooth. I didn't struggle to put this on. You know, sometimes liquid lipsticks, depending on the formulation, it feels like you have to keep going back over. Before you know it, it's just crumbling. Like, I feel like I was able to get like a nice opaque like look out of this. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try on another color. Next, I have this shade right here, and it is called Vanity. Looks like this. Ooh, it's a nice little dark shade. Okay, this application is a little sloppy, but let me just say, this red shade, hold on, wait a minute, wait. It was a little patchy right there. Okay, but yeah, this red shade, this is a pretty color. Ooh. If I would have done this, if I would have applied this a little better, this could actually be a look. Next, I have this shade right here. It's called Infamous. With Infamous, I love Time to Infamous. She's like an OG YouTuber. I used to watch her all the time. Oh my gosh, like she is like a big inspiration as to how I do my makeup. Like, I love her. This is such a pretty like fall colored lip. It's so just this is dinner. Okay, nice dark sultry. I like this lip color. It actually really goes it actually goes really well with my eye look and like my top. This is a cute little moment right here. Next is the color called Jealousy, which is like, hold on, wait. The sticker doesn't match what I'm pulling out. This is a lot lighter. Oh, okay. I thought this was gonna be like a dark brown. This is, oh, this is right up my alley. I like a color like this. Ooh, y'all, this color is gorgeous, like on its own, no lip liner needed. I kind of want to wear this one. Okay, but I have two others that I have to try out. But I like this color a lot. This is really pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, I want to take it off. But yeah, this is a color Jealousy. Okay, next I have the shade called Intrigue, which is like this really pretty, like brownie, caramelly nude color, which I don't think I need a lip liner with this. But I should have worn this one. I think this might be the one I'm gonna wear. I have one more try, but I think this is one that I'm gonna come back with, put a brown lip liner on. I feel like I could wear it without a lip liner, but I still want to wear it with a lip liner. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so this is this color right here, and yeah, I like it, but I feel like I would definitely wear it with a lip liner just because it's so neutral. It kind of almost mutes everything down here. It just looks so, you know, so I don't know. I feel like it makes sense in my head, but like I just can't get it out. But you know, if you know, you know. But I just feel like down here just a little flat, and so I would definitely use a brown lip liner to kind of like bring a little bit of like dimension back to this area, specifically my lips. I don't want to let them dry down because I don't want to struggle to get it off, but without it fully drying down, I have a little bit of transfer, so I can only imagine once it fully dries down. But listen, I ain't trying to let this dry down and get stuck on my lips and then be struggling to get it off. I got one more color to try on. Okay, the last color I have here is called Euphoria, which looks like it's gonna be, I like this one too. Okay, so this is that one, and I love this color. It's so pretty. Definitely will wear it with a lip liner. I mean, it's cute on its own, but I still want to wear it with a lip liner. Okay, so now, which one do I want to wear? I think I want to wear Intrigue. Was it that one? Yeah, the brown color. I think I want to wear this one. So I'm going to switch lips real quick. All right, so taking my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. Any brown lip liner you have will do. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go over it with the liquid lipstick. Y'all see what a nice lip liner can do for somebody? I think I want to take a little bit of some gloss. So Magnolia Beauty, the person who owns the lashes that I'm wearing, she also sent over some lip glosses. Look how cool they are, like got all this stuff in it. Oh, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, this is, oh, they don't have names. They don't have names. I can't tell you guys what it's called, but I'm gonna take this one. I'm just gonna go over my lips real quick with this. Just give myself, oh, snap, 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 snap. I don't like to, whenever it's like a clear gloss, I don't like to go directly on my lips because it makes it all dirty looking, but I already started, so whatever. Normally I would use like a lip brush. So that's that. It's not nearly as glossy as I'm used to, but it's cute though. It's like a nice little sheen, you know? All right, so that is this look right here. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the palette for you guys. All right, so these are the swatches right here. Super pretty. All right, so what are my final thoughts on this palette? Overall, I really like this palette. I feel like for the amount you're paying for, it's pretty good. $16 for 15 shades. I feel like the quality really is good. I had no issues getting the matte to show up. And also I used their eyeshadow base. Yeah, sorry, I have back in the box, but I used their eyeshadow base and I felt like I was able to get a really good look. So I am curious to see how this would apply with like my regular like P. Louise or Plain and Makeup by Yolando, like their eyeshadow bases. But I had no issues with that. The shimmers, they went on like a dream. Like I didn't have to like dig in there, and I felt like I didn't have to like keep going over my eyes with it. I feel like a couple swipes and I was good to go. So that's great. Now this is obviously like a dupe for the Natasha Denona, her Sunrise palette. So if you are interested in that palette, which I know that one retails for $65, but you ain't trying to spend $65, baby, go ahead and pick this up, okay? The Aurora palette, very, very good alternative for anybody who is interested in that but doesn't want to pay that. Also, I want to talk about the weight of this palette. Both of these palettes actually are pretty heavy weighted, and I'm not sure. I think it might have a magnetized base because it kind of reminds me of, if you own any of the more recent Colored Rain eyeshadow palettes, especially the Juicy Boost and the Vivid Pigments, because those shadows are meant to be depotted if you don't want to keep it in there, because she does sell like singles. It kind of feels like that. So I think this might have a magnetized base to where you can depot these. I'm not too sure, but it feels like it. So what I'm trying to get at is the packaging does not feel like flimsy or cheap. Like I was relatively surprised when I took these out the box. I was like, oh my gosh, these have a nice little weight to them. You do get this at the back right here with the names, but they're also on the palette, which I love. Like please put them here. If you're gonna name your shadows, like please just put them on the back. Like I don't want them on the back, okay? Just put them right here. It does come with a nice little mirror. Oh, y'all can see my dirty little vanity. Hey y'all, what's up? What else? The liquid lipsticks. I really like the lipsticks. Okay, let me just say, I like the lipsticks. Like the colors are really pretty. The one that I'm wearing right now is probably my favorite. Now I do want to do another video using this because I just felt like these are two separate palettes that I just kind of have to use on their own, using this one, and I think I want to do it in comparison to the Glitz Wiz palette. So yeah, but I do have a discount code with the company, so if you want to save 10% off of Alter Ego's products, use my discount code Whitney10. I would highly recommend their products because I like them. I feel like they're good quality for the price you pay, okay? They not too pricey. I think that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not yet following your girl on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Follow your girl on the gram, okay? But yes, until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.